Mesh Rashifal 2020 Overview. Mesh natives cannot know what the future holds for them until they refer to the Mesh Rashifal 2020 horoscope predictions. Astrology gives us a good understanding of the life that we live in. Hence, the need for you to know more about your future. This year might be a bit challenging for you since things have been going your way in the previous years. You will face difficulties here and there, but you will be able to overcome them. You will rely upon the people around you for messages of encouragement and support. Without people, you are nothing but a lonely and miserable individual. Your family will face some internal problems. But, towards the end of the year, everything will go back to normal. 2020 Career Predictions for Mesha. According to the Bhavishya Rashi for 2020, this year will be difficult for your career. There might be little or no sign of a promotion or salary increment. You will remain in the same post you have been holding for a while before something good happens. The situation you will face this year will prompt you to work hard to impress your superiors. In the past you had disagreements with your workmates, hence you will still not be in good speaking terms. As the year progresses, you will realize you were on the wrong most of the time and start apologizing. Mesh Rasi 2020 Forecasts for Health. Based on the 2020 Rashifal predictions for Mesh Rasi, this year you will teach yourself how to exercise. In the past, you thought that exercising was a waste of time. You will realize that exercise keeps you healthy both directly and indirectly. Train yourself on how to take lots of water since the body will need water to maintain your powerful immune system. You are disciplined in making and taking healthy meals. This should remain the position as the Mesh Rashi approach the year 2020. 2020 Mesha Rasi Finance Horoscope. No change will be seen when it comes to your finances this year. The horoscope for 2020 reveals that the stagnant position of your career will also affect your finances. All that will push you this year is the monies that you had saved in the past year. Your spouse or partner will prosper financially. Hence, they will be able to help you when you get stuck. You will learn how to appreciate the little things of life once you experience financial difficulties. Family and Love 2020 Mesh Rashifal. This year there will be family issues to be sorted. The elders will be so upset with you over how to deal with family affairs. Children will rebel because of how you treat them. This, in turn, will affect their health and studies. You might not be on speaking terms with your spouse or partner until towards the end of the year when you decide to talk things out. The Mesh Rashifal 2020 forecast foretells that the situation of your family will only change if you work on your attitude and anger issues. The love life of Mesh Rashi natives might be on the rocks in 2020. There is little communication between spouses during the 2020 Mercury retrograde. Hence, there will be some tension. Singles will not be interested in meeting new people since they want to stay alone for a while enjoying their peace of mind. Love will only start cropping up towards the end of July when you can plan for a pregnancy. Mesh Rashi 2020 Travel Forecast. Traveling is something that you love so much. This year Mesha will travel a lot, both locally and internationally. Traveling abroad will mostly be necessitated with the need to visit relatives and friends. Work-related travels will be at their peak in March and May 2020. But, the rest of the months will be all about touring and vacations. Road trips with friends will also find time in your schedule. Business trips will help your financial situation at times but not all the time. Conclusion. Thus, Mesh Rashi individuals will have to take good care of their finances and career this year in 2020. You will have to work hard to achieve your objectives and goals. Your ignorance of the facts of life will have to end this year. Take hold of your life and make something out of it.